Ever felt the rush of a ticking clock, that relentless beat that seems to amplify when you're up against a deadline? It's a universal sensation, that feeling of time slipping through your fingers like grains of sand. We've all been there, whether it's finishing a project at work, catching a train, or even just trying to get out the door on time in the morning. But what if we could harness that pressure, that sense of urgency, and turn it into something fun and creative? That's the thrill behind the 10-minute full-face makeup challenge. It's not just about applying makeup, it's about embracing the chaos, making quick decisions, and seeing what you can create under pressure. Think of it as a high-stakes beauty game, where the only rule is to have fun and let your creativity flow. Forget about perfection, this is about speed, ingenuity, and a whole lot of laughter. It's a whirlwind of brushes, a flurry of activity as you grab your favorite tools and get ready to paint your face against the clock. Each brushstroke becomes a strategic move, a calculated risk in this fast-paced beauty battle. Do you go for the bold eyeshadow or the classic winged liner? The choice is yours, but you've got to make it fast. Colors, a vibrant explosion of pigments waiting to be blended and transformed. From subtle nudes to dazzling brights, the possibilities are endless, but time is of the essence. Will you opt for a monochromatic look or a rainbow of hues? The clock is ticking, so choose wisely and let your inner artist shine, and a whole lot of giggles. Because let's face it, this challenge is as much about entertainment as it is about makeup. There will be mishaps, there will be funny moments, and there will definitely be some questionable blending, but that's all part of the fun. Embrace the imperfections, laugh at your mistakes, and remember that it's all about having a good time. The pressure is on, the clock is ticking, and every second counts. You can feel the heat as you race against time, trying to complete your look before the buzzer sounds. But don't let the pressure get to you. Take a deep breath, stay focused, and remember that it's just a game. Like Gromit fixing one of Wallace's contraptions just in time. It's a mad dash of creativity and skill, a race against the impossible. You're MacGyver with a makeup brush, a beauty engineer trying to assemble a masterpiece under extreme conditions. You've got your mirror, your trusty reflection, your guide in this whirlwind of color and contour. It's your reality check, your confidant, the silent judge of your blending skills. Your makeup, your arsenal of beauty weapons spread out before you like a painter's palette. Each product is a tool, each shade a possibility. Foundation, concealer, blush, eyeshadow, lipstick, the choices are endless, but the time is limited, and a timer that seems to go faster than a runaway cheese wheel. It mocks you with its relentless ticking, pushing you to move faster, to blend better, to create something amazing before it's too late. Can you really pull off a full face in just 10 minutes? It seems impossible, a feat of superhuman speed and skill. But that's what makes it so exciting. It's a challenge that pushes you to your limits, forces you to think outside the box, and reveals hidden talents you never knew you had. It sounds bonkers, but that's the fun. It's about embracing the absurdity, letting go of perfection, and just seeing what happens. Who knows? You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve in such a short amount of time. It's a playful race against yourself and the clock, a chance to test your skills, challenge your creativity, and have a good laugh along the way. It's not about winning or losing, it's about the journey, the experience, and the memories you make. A creative sprint, a burst of energy and inspiration as you race to complete your look. It's a chance to unleash your inner artist, to experiment with new techniques, and to discover your own unique style, where you might just surprise yourself. You might discover a new favorite product, a quicker way to apply your foundation, or a hidden talent for blending eyeshadow. The possibilities are endless, and the rewards are well worth the effort. Sometimes the best ideas pop out under pressure, those moments of inspiration that strike when you least expect them. It's like your brain goes into overdrive, searching for solutions, finding new ways to express yourself. Think of it as a makeup adventure. A journey into the unknown, a quest for the perfect look, a chance to explore your creativity and discover new possibilities. It's accessible, amusing, a light-hearted way to experiment with makeup and have some fun. It's not about being a professional, it's about embracing your inner child and letting your imagination run wild. And you'll learn a thing or two about your own routine. You'll discover what products you can't live without, what techniques work best for you, and how to streamline your makeup application for those days when you're short on time. Ready to take on the clock? Are you prepared to embrace the chaos, unleash your creativity, and have some serious fun? Let's get cracking. It's time to put your skills to the test. Challenge your limits and see what you can create in just 10 minutes. Get ready for a whirlwind of brushes, colors, and laughter. It's going to be a wild ride. So, what's this 10-minute challenge all about then? What's the big idea behind condensing a typically leisurely makeup routine into a mere 10 minutes? It might sound a little crazy, a little rushed, and maybe even a little bit stressful. But trust me, there's a method to this madness. We're not just trying to see how fast you can slap on some makeup. We're diving into the art of prioritization, the science of efficiency, and the sheer fun of a beauty-related time crunch. This isn't just any makeup challenge, it's a full-face makeup challenge. But what is it all about? What are we really trying to achieve here? It's more than just a race against the clock. It's about understanding your own makeup habits, identifying the products that truly make a difference, and learning to streamline your routine for those days when time is of the essence. You have exactly 10 minutes, no more, no less, to transform your face. 10 minutes to work your magic, to enhance your features, and to create a look that makes you feel confident and ready to take on the world. It's a tight squeeze, I know, but that's part of the thrill. The mission, should you choose to accept it, is to put on a full face of makeup. We're talking the works, the whole shebang. That means foundation or tinted moisturizer to even out your skin tone and create a flawless base. Choose your weapon wisely. A light tinted moisturizer for a quick natural look, or a full coverage foundation for a more polished finish. Then a bit of eyeshadow to add depth and dimension to your eyes, a simple wash of color, a smoky eye, or a bold pop of shimmer. The choice is yours, but remember, time is ticking. Don't forget eyeliner to define your eyes and add a touch of drama. A quick swipe of pencil, a precise line of liquid liner, or a smudged out smoky effect, whatever suits your style and your speed. And of course, mascara to lengthen and volumize your lashes. A few coats of your favorite formula will instantly open up your eyes and make you look more awake and alert. Add some color on your cheeks to give your complexion a healthy, radiant glow. A touch of blush will instantly brighten your face and make you look more youthful and vibrant. And finally, something for your lips. Whether it's a swipe of lipstick, a dab of lip gloss, or a simple coat of lip balm, don't forget to give your pout some love. It's the whole shebang, every single step, all the essential elements of a complete makeup look. But at lightning speed, we're talking warp speed, folks. Get ready to move those brushes like you've never moved them before. The goal isn't perfection. Let's get that straight right away. We're not aiming for flawless, airbrushed results. Instead, it's about looking put together even when you're in a rush. It's about mastering the art of the quick fix, the speedy touch-up, and the 5-minute face. It's a test of speed and skill, a challenge that will push you to your limits and force you to think on your feet. More than that, it's about quick decision-making. Choosing the right products, the right techniques, and the right priorities in the heat of the moment. But remember, the spirit, fun and learning, not competition. This isn't about comparing yourself to others or striving for unattainable ideals. You might discover shortcuts or realize some steps aren't as essential as you thought. You might find that you can skip the contouring, ditch the false lashes, and still create a look that makes you feel amazing. Ultimately, it's a fantastic way to shake up your routine, to break free from your usual habits, and to experiment with new techniques and products. And who knows, you might just find a new go-to look for busy mornings. A quick, easy, and effective routine that will save you time and stress and leave you feeling confident and ready to conquer the day. To win this race, you need the right tools. Think simplicity, not a giant kit. Multitasking products are your best friends. A cream blush for cheeks and lips, a neutral eyeshadow stick for eyes and brows. Lay out everything before you start. Products open, brushes ready. Preparation is key. Don't waste time rummaging like a squirrel for a lost nut. Cream products are often quicker than powders and blend easily with your fingers. Fingers are your best tools. Quick, warm, and always handy. A couple of basic brushes can help, but don't overcomplicate. The right prep and products make all the difference when the clock is ticking. Ready your kit and you're halfway to success. Timer's on. Let's get that base sorted fast. Go for a light, easy foundation tinted moisturizer, BB or CC cream. Dot it on, blend quickly with fingers or a damp sponge. Aim for even, not perfect. Spot conceal only where needed, a dab under the eyes, a dot on a blemish. Blend swiftly, No thick layers, just a quick touch-up. The secret is fast blending, whether with fingers or a sponge. If you use a sponge, make it damp for a natural finish. Don't fuss over every detail, just smooth things out. In a minute or two, your canvas is ready. See? Not so bad. On to the next step. Keep moving, every second counts. Alright, let's move on to the windows to the soul. Time for eyes. We're going to create a look that's both captivating and quick. Perfect for those mornings when you're short on time but still want to make an impression. Get ready to learn some simple yet effective techniques to make your eyes sparkle in a jiffy. The key here is efficiency. We're not aiming for a complex, multi-layered look. Keep it simple and speedy. Think of it as enhancing your natural beauty with just a few well-chosen products and techniques. Every second counts when you're trying to get out the door. Our secret weapon, one cream eyeshadow stick. It's a game changer for quick and easy application. Cream shadows are blendable, forgiving, and come in a variety of beautiful shades. Choose one that complements your skin tone and eye color for the best effect. Simply swipe the cream eyeshadow stick across your eyelid, focusing on the center. Then blend with your finger, gently diffusing the color outwards towards the crease. The warmth of your finger will help to melt the product into your skin for a seamless finish. And just like that, done, see? Super simple, super fast. The cream shadow adds a wash of color and subtle shimmer that instantly brightens your eyes. It's the perfect base for the rest of your eye makeup. Now let's define those eyes a bit more. For eyeliner, we're going for a soft, smudged look that's easy to achieve and flattering on everyone. Reach for a soft pencil for a quick line along your upper lashes. The softer the pencil, the easier it will be to blend. Start thin and build up the intensity as needed. Remember, we're going for a subtle enhancement, not a dramatic wing. Immediately after applying the liner, smudge for a softer look if needed. Use your finger, a cotton swab, or a small brush to gently blur the line. This will create a smoky effect that's both effortless and chic. Next up, the game changer. Mascara is a must. It instantly opens up your eyes and makes you look more awake. It's like a shot of espresso for your lashes. Apply a couple of quick coats on upper lashes, wiggling the wand at the base to coat every lash. This will add volume and length without clumping. Don't be afraid to layer on the mascara until you achieve your desired effect. And if you have time, maybe a touch on the lowers if you have time. Just be careful not to overdo it, as too much mascara on the lower lashes can make your eyes look smaller. Remember, we're not striving for flawlessness. Don't stress about perfection. A little bit of imperfection is what makes you unique and interesting. In fact, charm comes from a little imperfection. It shows that you're confident and comfortable in your own skin. So embrace those little quirks and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Brows, let's not forget about those important face framers. The quickest way to neaten them up, just brush through with a spoolie, following the natural shape of your brows. This will help to tame any stray hairs and create a more polished look. And if needed, a quick swipe of tinted gel will add some color and hold your brows in place all day long. Choose a shade that matches your natural brow color for the most natural looking results, or if you prefer, a few pencil strokes to fill in any sparse areas. Use light, feathery strokes to mimic the look of natural brow hairs. Remember, we're on a tight schedule. No time for intricate sculpting. We're not trying to create a brand new set of eyebrows here. The goal is simply to tidy and go. A little bit of grooming can go a long way in making you look more put together. And there you have it. Eyes are bright, awake, and ready to take on the day. Best of all, you're still ahead of the clock. You've managed to create a beautiful eye look without sacrificing precious time. Fast, fun, and effective. This simple eye makeup routine is a game changer for busy mornings. So are you ready for the finishing touches? We're almost there. Let's keep the momentum going. We're on a roll, and we're about to complete this quick and easy makeup look. Get ready to put the final touches on your face and step out the door feeling confident and beautiful. Home stretch, time to add color to cheeks and lips. Cream blush is your best friend. Swipe on, blend with fingers, and you're glowing. No need for perfect blending, just pat and go. Too much blush? Dab with your foundation sponge to tone it down. For lips, grab a tinted balm, easy lipstick, or use your cream blush for a matching look. Apply quickly. No mirror needed for balms or crayons. If you're feeling bold and have a second, add a touch of bronzer for definition. Otherwise, cheeks and lips are done in a flash. Simple, speedy, and you're looking fresh. That's it, look complete. Rushing means mishaps, don't sweat it. Mascara smudge, let it dry, then flick it off with a cotton bud. Wobbly eyeliner, smudge it out for a smoky look or clean up with a cotton bud. Too much blush? Blend with fingers or sponge, or buff with a clean brush. Most mistakes are fixable in seconds. No need to panic. Embrace the imperfections. They add character. Quick fixes keep you on track and confident. Remember, it's all part of the fun. Stay calm, keep moving, and enjoy the process. You've got this. These 10-minute challenges are full of funny stories and surprises. Maybe you forget one eyebrow or end up with lipstick on your chin. Just laugh it off. Sometimes you'll discover a new technique or realize you don't need as many products. The best part, those little victories and unexpected wins. Even the "what was I thinking?" moments teach you something. It's about embracing the chaos and learning as you go. Every attempt is a story worth sharing. Enjoy the journey. Perfection isn't the goal. Now it's your turn. Set a timer for 10 minutes and dive in. Don't worry about perfection, just have fun and see what you can create. Gather your favorite quick-use products. Take a deep breath and start. Each try makes you faster and more creative. Invite a friend and turn it into a fun challenge together. The joy is in the process and the little wins. You might discover a new favorite routine for busy mornings. Embrace the creative chaos and surprise yourself. When the timer goes off, celebrate your effort. Go on, give it a whirl, you might just love it.